How to check Google Form responses. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to check Google Form responses. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Google Forms and tap on the first link you see there. You will be led to the official webpage of Google Form. Here on the top, you will see the option for sign in. Tap on that and go ahead and sign yourself in at the first place. Once signed in, to check the Google Form responses, open an existing form which you shared with people for getting their response, and in the interface that you will be led to, on the top of your screen you will see three options, that is, questions, responses, and settings. Tap on the responses option. Here you will see a pie chart of your responses. You can place your cursor on every color and see the percentage of the categories. If you want to see individual responses, then tap on the individual option, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you can view individual responses of the question you shared. You can tap on questions and see the number of responses in the options you provided individually. And if you want to share the pie chart with someone, then tap on the summary option and then tap on the copy option, and with this the pie chart will be copied. You can go ahead and share it with anyone you want. So this is how you can check Google Form responses. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.